Welcome back, guys, to another video. And today we're going to be looking at UNIBAIL Rodomaco Westfield stock, aka URW ticker symbol. That's the ticker symbol. So, as you may know, there has been some big news come in the past 1 week actually about the stock, and it was followed by sale of one of their assets in France. And now there's another big news about their French billionaire Xavier Niel, I believe that's how you pronounce it, who is actually reforming against this shareholder dilution of 3.5 billion. I think it's a total scam. This 3.5 billion thing, it's gonna be disastrous for the shareholders. So, I don't really recommend you guys holding this stock for too long. It's going to be pretty interesting to see what will happen with the shareholder vote, which will take place on 10th of November. As you can see, UNIBAIL stock is at its lows. Before this pandemic, it was at 143 euros. Now it's at 41 euros, valued at 5.6 billion, guys. And when you're doing a share dilution of 3 billion, that's like more than 50%, and that's really disastrous for shareholders. I mean, if you had bought it at 140, it'll take years for it to return there, in my opinion. But maybe a vaccine could help. So let's look at its 1 month. From its 1 month, the stock has climbed 38%, which is pretty good. It climbed from 29 to, let's say, 35 because of the sale of their mall for like around 620 million, and I think they're getting another mall sale done in Bratislava. I do have some options. I did have to close some because I'm really afraid that they were going into huge losses actually. But I'm holding some of them. I sold my stock because I don't want to be in this uncertain period. This shareholder dilution can mean anything. I mean, like when the stock was at 29, it was only worth 4 billion. The company, so. It's really a gamble holding this company. If the shareholder dilution doesn't happen and the vaccine comes out, I'm sure it's going to go 70 plus really quickly, actually. The reason it fell down all this much was because of the second wave and the shareholder dilution. So, anyways, this guy is a French activist investor. He was actually investing passively in UNIBAIL. He owned like around 4.1% of the company, and so he's going to play a big role in this vote. And he's telling investors to say no against this vote, where the management of UNIBAIL want the vote to happen. So who is this guy? To me, this guy looks like a really influential person. He is the partner of Delphine Arnault, who is the daughter of Bernard Arnault, and he is a freaking billionaire, guys. $110 billion. So it seems like he's a very influential person. This guy's the owner of LVHM, um, and they have a daughter as well, Elisa Neal. All right, and this guy is also a billionaire, tech giant he owns, I think, and his net worth is 8.8 billion. Okay, so he definitely knows what's good. I also think that really you cannot be doing something like this. I mean, 3.5 billion is a lot for a company worth 5 billion, and I mean they have assets worth 60 billion. I don't understand why they can't sell their assets in America. This guy's also saying to focus on Europe instead of America and pay off their debt, which was taken in 2018 with the acquisition of Westfield. And in September 17th, they actually announced all this plan of a 9 billion debt reduction that would include, I think, 6 billion in sale of assets and 3 billion in the share dilution. So I actually agree with Mr. Xavier Niel, and I hope for the investors the vote doesn't go through. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty catastrophic. Um, and also, I forgot to mention that there's also Leon Bressler, and he was the CEO before Christopher Collier, and they released a 33-page presentation basically, and the board is kind of retaliating. I can quickly get it up. Press release for Unibail. Wait, let me search URW. Sorry that I don't have it up here, but if you search up URW, you'll see the press release. I think. Okay, wait. Sorry. And this is what they said basically. So this is how you find a press release of a stock, or Like you go to their company, and this is what they said, that they received proposals of 4.1% of the shares of the group, and they said we are always welcome from these views from shareholders, but they said that they strongly disagree with these proposals, and it adds uncertainty and risk into the current complex environment. So basically, they're doing this because of their rating, and they want to have an A+ rating basically, and they want to do their reset plan. And as you know, um, these guys want to do their refocus plan, and this they're basically saying, yeah, we sold this office building, uh, and they're I think the management does want this share dilution to happen. That's why I'm not too sure about the stock. It's a really big gamble, but if the share dilution doesn't happen and you've bought it at 40, it's a great price. 30, even a better price, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and November 10th is the vote. So if you are a shareholder, please do vote, and obviously say um, uh, to not do the vote. Obviously, I sold my shares. I think I was on break even. I bought them at 40, and I sold them at break even, and sold some of my options at a loss. And I'm holding some of my options for the June expiration, which are pretty much also in a loss. So nothing too special there, guys. And I know I haven't made a video for like a long time, but I made one today, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll appreciate it a lot, and thanks a lot, guys. Bye.